Hello all, welcome to Study Table. Our today's topic is selection process. As we all know, whenever job vacancy comes from any department or from any field, there are a number of candidates who apply for the same. Now, it is the duty of HR team to do selection among them. So, in short, selection is a process of choosing right candidate for the right job. Simple? Also, we can say it is an elimination process. At every stage of selection process, some of the candidates get eliminated and rest of them proceed for another level. Okay? And like that, who remained in the last finally gets selected for the job. Okay? Now let's start with the process of selection. So the very first step is job analysis. It means first you analyze the job in detail so it will help you to advertise it properly and clearly, right? Job analysis consists of two things, job description and job specification. Job description means details regarding job and job specification means details regarding candidates who will be performing the job. Fine? Job details includes job title or designation, duties and responsibilities, working shifts, working hours, salary and incentives, working condition, location and all. And on the other hand, eligible candidates details include qualifications, experiences, mental and interpersonal skills, gender, physical traits, family background, age and all. So once manager is clear with the job analysis, he can move to the next step which is advertising the job. The job can be advertised through various media such as newspapers, pamphlets, internet, job related websites, social media and all. So with this, eligible and interested candidates will get to know about the job and will apply for the same. After advertising the job, company will receive so many of the applications or resumes. So it is very difficult to call all of them for meeting. So HR team first go with initial screening, where company's executives will do sorting work of the received applications as per the company's requirement and eligibility of the candidate. Here, many candidates get eliminated and rest of the applications or candidates will proceed for the next step which is application blank. Basically, it is a company's format to obtain standard information of every candidate in respect of their personal, academic, work, references, all at one place to check the eligibility criteria. After this, candidates will be called for various employment tests which are usually conducted to judge the abilities and experiences of the candidates. Types of tests depends upon the nature of job. It can be general knowledge test, personality test, IQ test, stress test, or many more like that. The best thing is a large number of candidates can be tested at the same time, and who gets passed is eligible for the next round, which is interview. Interview is a face to face interaction, an exchange of views, ideas, and opinions. It can be individual interview, panel interview, group interview, and so on, depending upon the job and company profile. After this, candidates may be asked to provide some references to confirm or cross check the information about the candidate regarding his or her past life, work experiences, character, and all. Fine? After this, in some of jobs where physical and mental fitness of the employee is required and must for performing the job, selected candidates may send for medical checkups, where they check and ensure about the hearing or vision capacity of the candidate or the blood pressure, body mass index, breathing capacity and all. Candidates who clear this round may go for the next, which is final interview. Here before making a job letter, company calls candidate for the one more oral interview, which is the final one, to find out the interest and expectations of the candidate. Here salary and other incentives and privileges may be negotiated. After this, at the very final stage, company make a job offer to the selected candidate. Now it is up to the candidate to accept or reject it. So this all is the selection process, which is very crucial duty and responsibility of the HR team to select the right candidate for the right job, as the wrong selection of a candidate may make the company to suffer for years. Hope you all understood the topic well. We'll meet soon with a new topic, new concept. Till then, Study Table wishes you all the very best.